Have you ever met someone who swore, "I'll never own a dog," only to end up becoming their furry friend's most devoted servant? Paw. If you have, this video will definitely make you laugh out loud. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss any of our heart-melting stories. 2 hearts. In case you didn't know, our lives revolve around them. Also, Dad, okay, get the damn dog, but it's not allowed in the house.
My dad with the dog he didn't want.
The singing got the dog listening on high alert.
So please don't take my sunshine away. Said yes.
Ends up becoming besties with the household pet.
Yes.
Greatest plot twist in history.
So tell me, you want one? Sound.
Oh, the dog looking like, I didn't want him either.
Don't you know each cloud contains ding 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 Bhangra ਪਾ ਲੋ Rainbow Sing ding 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 Bhangra ਪਾ ਲੋ Rainbow Sing.
Oh my god, if he squeezes it any harder, its eyes will pop out. Well, it's a universal experience. It's always the person saying no that gets most attached to the animal.
Hey, this is a private joke. You gotta pay.
No, no me digas que ya te vas a dormir, bro.
Pasa.
¿Quieren voy?
¿Qué pasa?
Háblale en inglés.
¿No me entiendes, moco? Sí.
Háblale en inglés.
Bye, mi chulo.
¿En inglés?
Bye, my doggy.
So...
See you tomorrow, my doggy.
The fucking
Bye,
shit.
give me pet. Give me paw.
Pon,
Paw.
pon.
Paw.
Mira, también sabe trucos, mira.
¿Dónde
Ah,
paw?
perro.
Otra. La otra pata.
Jump.
No.
Jump.
My Indian dad with the dogs he never wanted.
You got a friend in me. You got troubles and I got them too. There isn't
Dad addicted to the
anything I
pop. Scene of the
wouldn't
day.
do for you. We stick together, we can see it through. Cause you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am. Bigger and stronger too.
Oh my god, not him carrying the dog like a baby.
This is the dad who said he didn't want a dog.
You got a friend
The
in me.
CEO of the dad who didn't want a dog.
You got troubles and I got them too.
Barely home, already sprinting to the dog.
Como siempre, Simba quiere participar en todos los eventos. Si no lo abrazamos, llora. Él piensa que es humano
Ay, me da pena, me da
y se
pena.
sienta como uno.
Que me lo...
Tiene. Tú no la tienes. Yo estoy al lado, diablo. Madre con la nota.
Who would have thought he'd ever say no to this pup? When your dad loves the family dog more than you. Probably he loves his granddog more than his own kids now.
¡Brinca, baby! Ahora, brinca de reflejos. Ahora, tú vas a comer.
Él trabaja hasta tarde para que ella no le falte nada. En su nido de amor ella lo espera enamorada.
Mi primera chamba. Me acuerdo el día que de la chamba yo me enamoré. Mi viejo llegó sonriendo, me dijo que yo ya chambié. Le pedí otra chamba y le dije que la de chambear me la sé.
Va a mover, 5 buscan, defienden, 11 llega la bola.
Hija mía, ¿cómo has crecido? Estamos tristes, también alegres.
The former hater now clings tighter than the dog.
No, don't do that. Don't embarrass him. No, she's not gonna put you on social media. Sure. Like, me, mama, me. Don't embarrass him.
¡La bebé! ¡Ay, qué chula bebé!
Someone got beside himself.
¡Qué chulada de animal! ¿De quién es y cuánto cuesta?
My Mexican dad with the
But
dog
now,
he didn't
Dad
want.
has to take him everywhere. Oh, that doggy owns half the business now.
Finder.
She loves you. Oh, look at her. Oh, she's going up. She's getting brave. Oh, she feels it. She's scared. Tootsie! Her name is Tootsie.
What a stupid name.
She's so cute.
Not him showing him the photo.
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
When I look at you, I can't believe.
He probably can't believe he's actually having fun with the dog.
I'm getting another dog. I am. But it's gonna be cute.
Well, top hater now top fan.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Girl, your dad didn't even turn to look at you.
Get your ass on, boy. Get your goddamn.
Hey, look. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this.
It's really this one.
You already put it?
Come on, Spud, dance.
When your Mexican dad is obsessed with your dog.
Said no dogs. Now serving him 3 meals a day. Yes, that's my silk pillowcase. Same guy who once said, no dogs
the
ever.
weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go,
And also his favorite rejected him at first. Bet if it's gone for a day, he won't be able to handle it. Thirsty? Instant service from dad. Classic case of the dad who didn't want a dog. Oh, it took me too long to realize it was a stuffy. From saying no to being his duet partner. If you have a similar story, please like and comment below to share it with everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more adorable moments. Now bye and see y'all.